Hi guys, I know it's been a while I've done a video, but welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've not been able to make videos as much as I want to because we moved houses. So as you can see from the background, it's a different place. It's a bigger place because of course we're expecting a baby, so the other space was too small for us. So we moved to a new place and I want to catch you guys up on what I'm doing. We moved to this really big place. I'm still trying to get used to it. We got really lucky. I don't even know how we were able to get this place because it's so big and I think it's perfect for us. I don't know how we're going to fill it up with stuff, but we will try. So I'm going to let you guys in on one of the things I really love doing, which is thrifting. I know I'm a cheapsake at heart. Like, if I go to a shopping place or a supermarket, I always go straight to the discount section first to find it, to see if there are good buys and things I could buy. So today a friend of mine took me to Gikomba market and I was able to get some things. I used to thrift a lot back when I was in Nigeria, but here it's kind of difficult for me because I don't know where to go and what to get and how to communicate, how to speak Swahili to buyers. So sometimes I need someone to take me, but today was a really good day and I'll show you some of the things I got some of these dishes. I'm yet to wash them. I'll wash them, but I think they're cute. That's why I bought them. I got this for 200 bob each. Then this fruit bowl for 300. I think it's really cute. I think this is my favorite buy. Yeah, this is the same as this one. I haven't unwrapped yet. Then I'm also making lunch. I'm trying to make garden egg sauce. So I already cut up the garden egg and cooked. And then here I'm boiling potatoes. Check out my cute pots. I got it from a friend. I think I'll link her page. She sells household stuff and they're so cute. I was using Sufrias before, but I got these ones and so far so good. I really like them. And then this is also one of the things I bought today. I've been needing a small mortar and pestle, so I got this one. Yeah, just hang around while I cook. That's all that's happening.